back. It's Nick at Max HP. Today is going to be a crazy day. We are going on a wild ride. But first, let's take a closer look at what we're driving. So we're looking at a Scat Pack, and that's just about all I know. So what's going on with this thing?
It's a 2023. It's the last call. Something basic, but I got a nice little tune to it. It's got 6-piston Brembos. It's nicer than a regular Scat Pack. It's a 392 package. Probably one of the most fun basic cars you can get for a decent price. If you're not trying to get a Hellcat, you're not trying to get an RT to be too slow, it's probably the best car you can go after to get right here. Do donuts, speed, and luxury. Everything's nice, suede inside.
Yeah, for sure. Off camera on the way here, I heard the tires squealing. Yep. So I know you just break loose everywhere. You usually just slide around.
This is my fun car, pretty much. Of course, we got a Hellcat put away. It will be out soon. This is something we do donuts around in. We don't have to worry too much. Let my girlfriend drive it, whatever. Anything happens, we repair it. We get back out here, get back in grinding, have fun.
Do you have anything done to it as far as modifications?
I got an HP VVT tune. I got a nice little intake put in on it. I got a nice muffler delete, resonator delete with some new exhaust tips. I got 5-inch tips on the back. So pretty much it's about stock besides the tune and the intake.
It sounds amazing.
Yeah, I love it.
So I'm sure you do some racing with this thing. What cars have you beat and what cars are you just keeping up with?
Not up there with the Hellcat yet. I was racing a Hellcat yesterday. He's beating me. I beat a G8. I beat some tuned RTs, a little more work done than me. I beat the ATS-V. He only had 4 gears, so I mean, counted as a win. He still lost. It was 60 to 140, so we did pretty good. Besides that, if it's anything Hellcat or wider, I can't touch it really. But coming soon, we're gonna be right behind them.
What plans do you have for the car for the future?
So we have a Whipple supercharger we're gonna put in. We're gonna forge the internals. We're gonna do new fuel injectors. We're gonna upgrade the cam. It's gonna be a real nice car, new tune. We're gonna see how it does and how much more it pulls through.
Nice. So this is kind of hard to miss. What's going on with the bumper?
So, having girlfriends, I had to teach her how to slide. She was doing very good. She kind of got nervous after she couldn't see through the smoke. We was in our church parking lot and she took out one of God's poles, but on the other hand, I got the suspension fixed. This is just a little cosmetics. It's not a good car if it doesn't have a couple scratches.
Fair enough. So this thing sounds wild. What's going on with the exhaust?
Got the muffler delete, my resonator's changed. I got the 5-inch tips on the back. Those are LaRaven 5-inch tips. They're not the stock Hellcat ones you get, but they are pretty nice. Gives it a nice little growl to it. I'd say stay with just a mid-muffler delete if you don't want to be too noticeable, but you are gonna be loud.
Yeah, it's loud. So you've had this car for a little while. What's the fastest you've gotten it up to?
So far, I've only done about 166 in it. Gets a little scary after going around these Detroit roads. So,
only though, that's fast.
Yeah,
that's fast.
I've seen faster. I've been in a car that went way faster, but 166 is a hell of a speed to reach in the Scat Pack.
That's quick. It's a big car.
Yeah, for sure.
It's not like a little sports car.
You feel every bit of the wind, the pull, the torque, everything.
Yeah, I bet. If I was to go out and try to buy one of these, how much are they typically going for? Do you know that?
If you're gonna buy one that's from a personal buyer, not a dealer, you could buy one from 20,000 to about 30,000. That's a good car, clean title. If you're gonna go to a dealer, you will pay about $50,000 for them.
Okay.
The market is going up now that they discontinued making these motors. You will start seeing them around a lot often for a lot higher prices than you do now these days.
Pretty good price for the performance, I feel like.
Yeah, 100%.
All right, well, I think that's enough about the car. Shall we take it on a spin?
Come on, let's go.
Let's do it. Woo! That's loud. Yeah, this should be fun. Just don't kill me. We can have some fun. Just don't kill me.
I have a lot of fun, no deaths.
Go through like a set of tires a week.
Daily. Just got a pair of my right behind you right now.
Yeah,
man.
you got more ready to go. That's hilarious.
Breaking loose the whole way.
Oh my gosh. Woo. Do you ever have trouble with the cops for driving? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's super fun.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You got spectators wherever you go, I'm sure.
Ready?
Yeah, I bet you buy tires a lot.
Yeah, for sure, a lot. Slide everywhere, you see that?
Yeah, I heard it.
It's a fun car, bro. Can't go wrong with a Scat pack. Especially one that's obnoxious. See the security?
Yeah.
Watch
Security,
this. They hate
like
it.
traffic security.
Yeah, they hate it.
Gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never done anything like that. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's probably the best car you can get, bro, for fun.
Yeah, that's a lot of fun.
Sure.
You can smell it.
Sir, everybody in there, everybody around to stare, everybody around to watch, everybody around to ask questions, take videos. They love it.
Like everybody knows what's going on.
Everybody
Everybody
just
knows it's
staring.
you. Oh man. That's a lot of fun. It's a wild ride.
This will get you right here. It's expensive. If you can't pay for the tires, don't do
Yeah. I know, tires ain't
it.
cheap.
And I got 275, 45, 20. So
Oh my
I pay
gosh.
about a good $150 to $200 for new tires. Just a new tire. Every
Like
time.
one.
Yep, just one.
So
Just
it's
the
like
one.
$800 for a
Yep.
set.
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem, bro. Anytime.